So Ford wants two 50mm backer plates. I got my gap correct where the rear door lines up at the cab corner.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm round in the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
Now I have the cab of this F-150. This one got ripped open good here in the cab corner. So it's getting a new cab corner section. So Ford wants two 50mm backer plates that go back inside of here. One like that, and then the same thing down there. I gotta clean off these surfaces, but I use that as a backer plate, so whenever I weld this, it makes for a lot easier and stronger weld throughout that area. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up and get these in place. Well, I got this cab corner roughly sitting on there, but I'm waiting for a new rear door yet. We don't have the rear door, so I can't put this on until I fit the rear door up and make sure I got my gap correct where the rear door lines up at the cab corner. So I gotta wait till the new door shows up, so this one's gonna be on hold until that door comes in, and then I will put the door on and get the cab corner sitting exactly where I want it and get it on. Good news, I just walked upstairs and they were just dropping off this door. So I'm actually gonna stay on this one and get this cab corner on. I'm gonna go ahead and fit this door up and get my gaps right. All right, I got the door all fit up. My gaps look really nice and even. So I'm gonna go ahead, and the back of this through here gets blind rivets. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill my holes for my blind rivets across the back, and then I will take it back off, prep it out for the panel bond adhesive, and get this cab corner rivet bonded on, and then after that I will weld my seams. Well, the corner's all rivet bonded in all the way around, so now I just have my 2 seams. I'm gonna go ahead and weld up, and then I will go ahead, once those are welded and ground, I will go ahead and get it in filler.